English Phrases Explained. Hold the bass. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English language learning video. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting phrase, hold the bass. This expression isn't just about music. It has a broader meaning that we'll explore together. Stay tuned to learn how and when to use this phrase effectively. Hold the bass is a phrase that, on the surface, seems to relate to music, specifically the bass guitar or bass notes. However, in a metaphorical sense, it's often used to advise someone to slow down, be cautious, or restrain themselves. The idea is similar to reducing the bass in a song to balance the music. Let's look at some examples. 1. In a discussion, if someone is getting too excited or aggressive, you might say, "Hey, let's hold the bass," meaning, let's calm down and take it easy. 2. In a project, when a team is moving too fast and making hasty decisions, a manager might say, "We need to hold the bass and think this through." It's important not to confuse hold the bass with music-related phrases only. Remember, its usage is more about moderating actions or emotions rather than literally holding a musical instrument. Use it in informal situations. It's more commonly used in spoken English rather than written. Be mindful of the context. It should be clear that you're speaking metaphorically. That's all for hold the bass. Remember, this phrase is a great way to remind others, or ourselves, to take a step back and approach things with a bit more caution. We hope you found this explanation helpful. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.